So, yeah, folks, that was after my morning walk with the Butchmeister here. We go by the graveyard every day, and he just usually does his normal thing. But today, for some reason, he just there's a little gap between the concrete and the fencing there, and he just kept trying to poke his head under there, and I kept trying to pull him back, saying, "You're gonna get your head stuck." But he would stop and just stare in the graveyard intensely, like he was seeing something that I wasn't. So, who knows? Did he see something out there? Was it the spirits, Butchie? Nah, who knows? But he was into it. Later, folk. So, all right, folk, as you see, I have the doors open. I'm hanging out in the van. It is finally warmed up. Yesterday wasn't bad at all. We reached about 45, I think. It does still go down at night. We hit about 28, 27 last night, I think. So it was a little chilly, but not bad at all. Butchie was actually too hot under the blankets. I had to let him out from underneath the blanket because he was just too hot. And in the beginning, I forgot to take his collar off. I take it off every night. And that's when I knew I had to let him out, was because his collar was so freaking hot. He's got these little metal bones on it. And I felt them, and they were like really hot. So I was like, man, you got to be too toasty under those covers. So I let him up. And I waited till late at night, and then I covered him back up a bit. And then I decided, I said, if you pop out, I'm going to let him pop out if he's too hot. So, but it wasn't that bad at all. Now, today we're hitting about 40, between 46 and 48, I think. So another nice day. And we're just getting down into the 30s tonight. So that's going to be awesome. That's going to be easy peasy. And then after that, for the next 3 days, we're in the 50s. So I ain't going to complain about that. I am really liking this warm-up. So anyways, I started yesterday. I'm going to continue today. I've thrown a few bags away, and I'm straightening up in here big time because we're going to head up to the storage. Because I'm going to try. If I can't remember quite how much is in there, if I could get it out before the end of this month, yeehaw. If not, I'm probably gonna play one more month, and that's the last month. So, anyways, I have time to do what I got to do if need be. But that'll be the last month I pay if I end up paying. So, getting rid of that storage finally. But anyways, that's what today is going to be mostly, is straightening out and making room here in the van. So, catch you later, folks. Stopped at the store, hit the ATM real quick. But while I was there, they've got a lot of the Rap Snax. So today I got the sweet chili lemon pepper. It's Rick Ross. And on the back of it, it says, every day is a perfect opportunity to reach your goal. Measure success by how many people you bless. Rick Ross. So I have tried, this would be like the third bag I've tried. I've had, and it's been my favorite so far, but like I said, this is only the third bag. So I had the Biggie Smalls one, and that was jalapeno honey, and that so far is my favorite. That was really good. I had Migos sour cream with a dash of ranch, and so far that's my least favorite. And now we are going to try the Rick Ross sweet chili lemon pepper. We'll see how it is. So, all right, folk. Sweet chili lemon pepper Rick Ross Rap Snax. Let's check it out. This is good. I can eat this. Definitely. Oh, it has a great flavor. Really good flavor. I don't think it's going to take over number one, Biggie Smalls jalapeno honey, but it's got an excellent flavor. And just a tad bit of spice. Not a lot. It's not hot by any means. It's just got that tiny bit of spice. Excellent flavor. I totally give this a thumbs up. Absolutely. The Rap Snax Rick Ross sweet chili lemon pepper. Dang good. It is. Really good. But Biggie Smalls is still winning so far with the jalapeno honey. Later, folks. What you got, that boy? Huh? You got your bone? Did 40 get you a bone? Huh? 40 bought you a bone? Yep, so 40 was messing around, just playing around with somebody, like they were play fighting, and Butchie saw it, and Butchie got all emotional and started jumping everything, trying to protect 40, and we were like, no, no, they're just playing. And so 40 went out and bought him a bone over at It's Only Natural. So it's a cheese and bacon bone. So he just keeps playing with it. Bonehead. All right, folk. Well, today's Boondock cooking is a couple of burritos. Got them all nice and grilled up, ready to rock and roll and chow on those. It's got, I had a little leftover like chili type stuff. I put that in there. It's got some yellow rice. It's got some really good chicken in there and some extra beef. So toasted them up. This is going to come out pretty good. All right, folk. And I also forgot that we put some of this mango habanero on it. This stuff tastes really, really good. It's a set of hot sauces that my daughter got me for Christmas. Well, all right, folks. So not a bad start to the morning. When I came back from the store after going to the ATM and everything, and after walking Butchie, I just had way too much trash on the grounds again. So I went back. I start over at the big building down here on 8 Liberty Street. There, I start there, and I go all the way to this house here because these guys are freaking awesome. The Mexican family there, they're freaking awesome. So I make sure that all the stuff in their garden is picked up and around the sidewalk by their house. I make sure it's all picked up because they're awesome. And then I cruise over to the other side and pick up. Now, one thing I will say that I'm a bit happier about than last time I did this is, if you guys recall, for the ones who have been here for a while, if you guys watched the video, the last time I picked everything up, there was 28 dope bags that I picked up off the ground out here. And today I did the whole area, the same exact area, maybe even a little bit more than I usually do, and I only picked up 3. So God willing, that signals a decline in dope usage, or it's a good sign that the cops are cleaning the place up a little bit, or it just could be the weather, and when summer gets here, it starts all over again. But God willing, that doesn't happen. Anyways, picked up a whole big bag's worth and threw it away over across the street and everything. So place looks a lot better anyways. So, oh, and also while I was doing that, I thought it was pretty dang cool. A viewer was driving by. They stopped and I was like, oh, hey, how's it going? She goes, hi, I watch your channel. She used to work in a soup kitchen and everything. And she asked about Butchie, how Butchie's doing and all that. And then she said the place looks a lot better after picking it up. So appreciate you stopping, appreciate you saying hi. That was pretty awesome. So hopefully you're watching this video. But for now, I think that's about it. I've just been sitting here watching some shorts and some video and getting caught up. And now I'm going to work on the van. Later, folks. Well, all right, folks. So anyways, there is a memorial today. My buddy Mikey, his uncle passed while I was on this visit in Ohio, and he was like an OG. He's been out here for a long time. So Mike is going to be at the soup kitchen. They're going to have a memorial for him. So we're gonna head over there to the memorial later on and support Mikey and saying goodbye to his uncle. Anyways, so me and Butchie, we're just gonna chill. Hey Butchie, hey Butch, look over here. Say hi to the say bye to the folk. We're gonna get going. We're gonna make this a video, and we'll catch you guys to later. So until next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.